Hello, Yellow Leaf Baptist Church. I just want to do a little online training for you if you have not accessed our website yet. And the option that we have on the website is the ability that we have to participate in giving of our tithes and offering through online giving. And it's set up, it goes directly into the church's account. It doesn't go through any other fund. So I'm going to show you today how to do that by accessing um, the Facebook page. And so that's probably the easiest way for us to get to our website so that you don't have to just remember the web page address. And so I have pulled up here the Facebook post for Yellow Leaf Baptist Church, our page on Facebook. And then I'm going to just drag the bar down so that I can scroll down the page. And when you get to the section that says About, right here on the right, you see About. That's where our web page address is located. And you can just click on the link for our web page by clicking this link right here. https:// and it has the whole address there. So if you click on this link, it will take you directly to our website. And on our website, we have two links for online giving. The first one is, of course, at the top of the page. If you are scrolling down and reach to the bottom of the page down here, then you have the second option for online giving. Those will take you to both the same place for giving your tithes and offering. So when you click on that, it pulls up that page within our website. Our web service is a little slow at home today. We've been online learning with kids. And so when that widget here in the middle loads, then your tithes and offerings are going to go to Yellow Leaf Baptist Church. And the first thing that's going to give you an option to do is regular contributions. So let's just say, for demonstration purposes, we're going to give $100 to our regular offering. This is our regular tithe to the church. Now, if you have that and you want to change it to something else, or you want to add a different fund to give to, you click this button down below, the amount. And so you click that, and it's going to give you an idea. This is where your regular contribution is going to, your regular tithe. If you want to give to any other specific designated offering, building fund, Margaret Lackey State offering, men's conference, youth show deposits, memorial designations, so giving building funds or a cemetery fund in memory of someone, then you would click those options. But let's just say I'm giving $45 today to the building fund. So you can see the total of my tithe and my offering is $145. And once you have completed all of your giving, then you click Next. And that's going to take you to the option for using either your debit card, which would be processed the same way a credit card would, or using your bank account. You can see the fee associated with the card based on what I am giving. So $145, the fee for that specific amount is $4.01, which is going to make the total of the giving $149.01. Now, if I wanted to use my bank account, the fee for processing through a bank account is less. It's just $1.77. And I can enter in my routing and account number from my check and put that here. And you can see the total giving is just $146.77. But I don't have my check with me, so I'm going to use my credit card. So I'm going to switch views on you here so that you don't see me entering in my card information, and so that that's not public to the whole wide world. And so I'm going to type my name in as it appears on my card. Then in the next blank, it's going to ask for my card number. And so I will type in my card number as it is on the card and make sure that that's correct. Then the expiration date. And then your security code from the back will be required next. And then the postal zip code associated with your card would be next on there. And so we're using the credit card. and the processing fee for that card. And it's not refreshing. Let me do it. There, it has it now. Let me scroll down this window so we can go back to you seeing what all is going on. Okay, so I've entered in my card information above, then the processing fee I'm going to pay so that that doesn't come out as a fee for the church. The church is getting the full amount of $145. I'm going to pay the processing fee of $4.01, and I'm going to click the next button. And that leads me to the place to enter in my address. And so I'm going to hide this so that we don't have the whole wide world seeing my address. And we have entering in my address, and it will be the address that you're going to receive mail at, the address that hopefully is the same as the one associated with your card that you're using. City, states is next, and then we'll enter in the zip code again. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to switch views, let you see the whole page that I'm working on. Okay, so there's the total of my giving, and so I'm going to click that I'm going to give this today as a part of my worship at Yellow Lake Baptist Church, a giving of my tithe and my offering. And so that is now processed, and then it will ask you if you want to make this a recurring gift. If you want to do this on a weekly or a monthly basis, then you can choose those options from the pull down menu here, and so you can choose that. But right now I'm just going to let it be a one-time gift, so I'm going to choose not right now, and then it will take me to the next prompt in the series. And so we will receive confirmation that it has done. It took you back to the main page. And so that's how easy it is to give through online giving. And if you want to watch this again and watch me stumble through it, then feel free. But you can do this online giving from the web page, whether you use a computer like I'm using right now, a laptop, or if you want to use your mobile device, whether that's an iPad, or if you want to use a iPhone. The web page is viewable, accessible from all of those internet accessible devices. Please join us as an active part of being a member at Yellow Lake Baptist Church and giving of your regular tithe and offering. And so we praise the Lord for using this opportunity to move us forward into the electronic age, because we know that so often I don't always have cash on me or have a check available, and so it makes it a lot easier to go ahead and be a part of the offering and the tithe giving of our church when we don't have those regular resources of funds available. And so thank you for listening, and I hope this has been helpful to you. We'll talk to you later.